Did you know that there is an easy way to share your contact information via LinkedIn, even on an online event? Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you're on YouTube, check the alert notification button here. You can actually share your QR code with anyone so that they can easily access your LinkedIn account and invite you to connect. So here's how you do it. First of all, go ahead and open up LinkedIn. And then this is key. You want to click inside the search bar. Doesn't matter where you are, just click inside the search bar. And on the right-hand side, you're going to see a little weird icon. It's supposed to be an icon of a QR code, I think. Anyway, go ahead and just click on that. That's going to pull up your QR code. So now you can easily just share this with the person you're standing across from so they don't have to try and find you on LinkedIn and how do you spell your name and which John Smith are you. You could just scan their QR code and the same thing, it'll take you right to their profile. By the way, you can also, as you can see, save this to photos, and then you can simply pop it into any presentation that you're doing. So if you're on Zoom and you're presenting to a bunch of people and you want them to connect with you, again, rather than putting your LinkedIn URL there and then they've got to find it and then they can't remember how to spell your name or you haven't customized it yet, all of that is taken care of. They just scan your QR code. There they go, right to your profile. Easy and done. So I hope that's been a useful time-saving tip for you. And speaking of time-saving tips, don't forget to check out FlyMSG, our auto text expander and AI writing assistant that can help you do more in less time. This is Viveka von Rosen, Chief Visibility Officer with Vengresso, helping you to be more productive.